So, he's been doing a lot of trainings internally, meaning dun sa kung saan siya employed, and also outside. So, marami siyang tinuturo sa lahat ng mga tao. And I think isa sa mga most recent activity niya is that he even coaches yung isa sa mga Olympic team natin, I think sa track. If I'm not mistaken, sa track and field or sa gymnastics. I'm not really sure. Because he's really a great motivator, no? Motivator speaker siya. So, work-life balance. Let's see. There's a myth, no? Na work-life balance, sabi nila, by the way, ano ba yung demographic sa atin? Sino yung mga employees dito? Employees, marami. Mga business owners. Ano ba? Business owners, di ba? Home-based job. Okay? It can be online. Or sino ba dito yung mga plain housewife? Retired. Tama. Not sure, meron ka pa rin pinagkakabisihan, di ba? So, but work-life balance, sabi nila, work-life balance depends on the company that you work with or you work for. They dictate your work-life balance. Tama ba? Do you believe that? Talaga? Naniniwala kayo? Sabi nila, Mythbuster, mali. You decide. You decide whether, okay, next please. Alright, so you decide if you can have or you can attain work-life balance. Hindi yung boss mo, hindi yung office mate mo, hindi yung kung sa bahay ka lang, retired ka, hindi yung kapatid mo, hindi yung asawa mo, o hindi yung anak mo. But you decide if you want to attain work-life balance. So, in that, sharing, si James shared 10 coping strategies for us to attain work-life balance. Okay? First, define consensus. We try to define what is the general rule. Meaning, yung sinabi niya, ito yung pinakamalakas para sa akin. Yung sinabi niya na, yun na. May we ever choose the harder right instead of the easier wrong? What is harder right? Harder right is konti lang yung gumagawa mo. Kasi, para sa kanila, o yung easier wrong, maraming gumagawa kasi, para sa kanila, yun yung tanggap ng society. Okay lang gawin to. Diba? Kahit na mali. Because this is what is accepted in our society. But try to choose the harder right. Okay? Harder right instead of easier wrong. Second, on defining moments, you choose the family. Especially if you are an employee or a business owner. What do I mean? Dinner, for example. You commit to have dinner at home every single night, regardless of what your boss says. Diba? If it's your schedule to have dinner with your family, you go home, leave whatever you need to do to leave at home at work, have dinner with your family. If it's a graduation of your child, take a leave, attend the graduation. If it's the birthday of your child, or birthday of your partner, of your spouse, or your mother, you go there. You be there for your family. You always choose the family. Sabi nga ni Lilo and Stitch, Ohana means family. Family means nobody gets left behind or forgotten. Okay? Number 3, you take real vacations. Excited sana ako makita yung kita ito kasi nung nag-vacation kami, 90s pa ata to, when we went to Naga. Diba? So, you take real vacations. Ever since I learned about this, Jill and I decided to take real vacations. Meaning, wala kaming work, wala kaming hawak cellphone pag namasyal kami. Kasi ngayon, kahit magkasama kami, kahit pumunta kami sa mall, hawak pa rin namin cellphone namin. Sumasagot ako sa email ko pag nasa bahay ako. But, if if it's a real, when we're on vacation, wala kaming dalang trabaho. Wala kaming iniintindi. Sarili lang namin, kami lang, o yung kasama lang namin. Diba? We encourage walang cellphone. Alright? You elevate Jesus Christ 4 times a day. Reflection or meditation. Praying or prayers. You reach out to anyone that you can. You know, a random act of kindness. You try to make someone happy every single day by complimenting. Diba? Good job. Thank you. Diba? Can I help you? Okay? You try to mentor someone in your office, in your circle of friends, in your ministry, kung sa tingin mo kailangan ng mentorship. Diba? That's how Jesus was when He was dealing with the disciples. Diba? Number 5, exercise every single day. 30 minutes per day. Ako meron akong tracker sa cellphone ko. Uso naman ngayon yun eh. Kahit yung walking lang, the steps that you do, you try to monitor your steps. Ang target ko per day, 10,000. Kaya pagkatapos ng araw, pagkatapos ako 10,000, minsan ako 15,000 pa ako kasi yung parking ko from my office is malayo. So, malaking bagay. And then I try to do biking. I try to do running. Although yung running, maybe hindi na kasi si Georgina na hinahabol ko. Diba? But you should. Diba? Why? Because it's a healthy lifestyle. Diba? You try to exercise every single day, 30 minutes per day. Kung hindi nyo kaya every day, kaya mga 3 times a week. Diba? Sa bahay. Kahit sa loob ng bahay. Stairs. Up and down, up and down. Number 6, focus. Focus on one, finish it, and then focus on another. When you're done, diba? Focus ka. Kasi hindi mo totoo yung mga multitasking. Hindi totoo yan. Pag pinagsama yung multitasking, kung ano ba, 10 yung task mo, target mo matapos lahat yan by Friday, sa Friday mo talaga matatapos yan. Pero try to focus. Friday mo rin mo matatapos. Pero focus ka. Yung attention mo, mas maganda. Diba? Number 7, you try to develop a list of 100 things to do. A bucket list. Ako, sabi ko lang, gusto ko tumakbo out of town. I did. I ran sa Capsule ng 20, anong year ba yun? 2011? 2010. Diba? Sinubukan ko tumalon from the treetop. Yung free fall. Hindi ko kasi kaya yung bungee jumping pa masyado na nakakatawa. Ito na lang. 1 second mag-iba ako. Nanlalambot ako. Pero, sarap. At least may checklist na ako. Bakit ako ng mundo? I try to sit at the edge of the cliff. Diba? Bucket list. Kasama sa bucket list namin ng mag-asawa, makita ang pinatubo. So, we went to pinatubo to see the theater. Diba? So, try to create your own bucket list. Diba? Travel to Hong Kong or Paris. Kasama sa amin. Diba? Pero kami dalawa yun. Hindi na ako. Diba? Now, this is very important. Number 8, you define your 5 roles in life. Who are you first? Are you a husband or a wife? In my case, sasabihin ko na, no? Sa akin, I choose to be a husband first. Then a father. Then a brother to my sisters. Then a friend. And then an employee. Lastly, an employee. If any of the first 4 needs my attention, iwan yung office ko. Automatic yun. I shut down my laptop, go to a friend, or go to my family, to my wife. Diba? You define who you want to be. You define your roles. Diba? Priorities. Tama. Number 9, eat the right diet. Sino mahilig sa crispy pata? Ako. Sarap, diba? Lechon kawali. Gulay. Now, what you need to eat? Balance, diba? Pero actually, ang sinabi ni James, you eat the China way or China diet. Eh sabi ko, baka mamaya pag plastic in China, tsaka may development. So huwag na lang, no? But we eat. Ibig sabihin naman kasi mga Chinese kaya maraming natatanda because of their diet eh. Kaya isa sa steam, diba? Yung gulay, diba? So yun. And lastly, you try to give back to mankind, diba? Be a blessing to others with the 3 T's. Diba? Time, talents, and treasures. Very important. The reason why I decided, I asked to buy a share because our congregation needs a work-life balance. Our community. Diba? The singles, makikita nyo, lumigit because of career, because of family, because of so many different reasons. But if we learn to prioritize what is important for us, alam natin kung ano yung dapat unahin. Diba? Ako, alam ni Jill, nung bago-bago pa lang kami nililigawan, sinabi sa kanya, busy ako, pagka Monday, I run, pag Tuesday, prayer meeting, pagka Wednesday, I run, pag Friday, may practice, ganyan. If you want to spend more time with me, you can join yung activities ko. That's why she started joining praise and worship. That's why she started running with me. That's why she started climbing mountains with me. Because alam niya, nakita niya siguro kung ano yung priority ko. And she was able to cope up with it. So, I hope and pray that each and every one of us will do the same. And, you know, be able to contribute as, you know, it is not just for the Lord, but for us. Amen? So let's recap lang ng 10. First, di ba? We choose the harder right versus the easier wrong. Defying, what's that? Consensus, di ba? Number 2, defining moments. On defining moments, you choose the family. 3, I want you, or we want everyone to take real vacations. Number 4, you emulate Jesus Christ in your life 4 times a day. 30 minutes of exercise per day. You focus. Number 7, you develop a list of 100 things to do before you die. Number 8, you define 5 rules and make choices. You eat the China way diet, or you healthy, and then you give back to mankind. Amen?
Amen.
Thank you very much and have a good day.